Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to my Jordan brand family for sending these my way. Today we'll be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Low. These are known as the Bred Toe 2.0s. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Today we'll be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Low Bred Toe 2.0s. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style them and how much these will be going for on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. So if you are a fan of these three different colors being on any silhouette, this may be one that you need to snag a pair of. As far as quality goes, we'll go through a comparison of these as far as a comparison in between the Jordan 1 Black Toes, which I've also brought out. This released earlier this year and I definitely was excited to snag a pair of these, but it is nice because the color variation is quite similar. One of the things that they did change, I guess you could say, in comparison to the 1.0 on this is the leather tone on the back of the heel here. This was actually in red, so they swapped that out for black. But as far as the upper goes, same colorway as the 1.0. We've got a red leather tone for the toe box and some tumbled black leather on here. Let me just actually fill the leather. Okay, so yeah, the leather on the Jordan 1 Black Toes is actually higher quality. You can kind of see that it's very malleable, very flexible. This is much stiffer. It's not as flexible. So definitely have to give it to the Black Toes here on the higher quality as far as the upper goes. The leather as well in the toe box is a lot softer. As far as the toe box goes on these, this is a lot more stiff as far as trying to move it around here. So definitely higher quality leather on these, a little bit different leather quality on the Bred Toe 2.0s. As far as the upper goes for the tongue, we've got just a nice simple black nylon tongue here. We've got an embroidered Jumpman logo. Key difference here is we've got the Nike Air swoosh tag on top of here. So just subtle differences on branding. And then we've got simple black laces. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panels. Right, so wrapping around to the side panels, we've got some overlays of that black leather, underlays of the smooth white leather, and then on the swoosh mark, we've got smooth black leather. And then wrapping around to the back, this is where we are getting a bit higher quality on the Bred Toe 2.0s here, because we've got the embroidered Air Jordan Wings logo versus here, it's not embroidered in black. And then as we wrap around to the lateral side, same exact color blacking as the medial side. The interior is in black and red with Jumpman logo, and the sneaker is completed with a white midsole and a red outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. far as sizing goes, I typically stay true to size. So I am a men's 7.5. I feel like for my type of foot, high arch, very narrow, this fits me perfectly when I go true to size, but I would be able to, I feel like, go slightly half a size up if I decide to wear thicker socks with these. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, just really classy color scheme going on here. Definitely I have to give another shout out to Jordan Brand for hooking me up with my first look, which was this really cool ombre colored Jordan tee, which was in black, white, and red. Matched this sneaker to a tee, and then I wore some simple, just black Jordan leggings for a very nice, comfy, casual feel. I decided to wear a red ribbed tee, and then I tucked that into some light denim pants. For the last and final look, dressed up a little bit with a nice kind of mini long sleeve button down blouse dress that has some nice metal detailing. All right, now let's conclude with how much these are going to be on the retail market. See, these are set to retail at $100. Definitely a great looking sneakers. Huge shout out again to my Jordan family. Thanks for sending these my way. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all next episode.